Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to save video without watermark in Camtasia. So get ready started. At first, open your Camtasia document. Now you can see then I show interface and click from record the screen. Now click and click from the now start the screen record in the Camtasia. Now you can see now example from browser and click for Gmail just example and check the inbox. This video save the watermark in the Camtasia. Now keyboard press. Then I show the Camtasia in video the save with the watermark. Now click from base. Now you can see open the new interface and trial version and full version and with watermark and without watermark in the key enter. Now I manage the key enter in the shape. Now copy the without enter key. Now from copy this Camtasia without enter key in the description box section in the viewers. Now press the key in the code. Now click from reduce watermark without watermark. Now click OK. Now save video in the video size in MP4. Now select. Now select from 1080 and click from finish option and save the video title and is video name in the title and click from finish option. Now OK in the video in the save. That it's. Now you can see without watermark in Camtasia video save is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.